Assalamualaikum guys. It was me. I was taking my class. We have online. It was good, but it was activities days. It's Thursday and it's only activities and games and no even writing. And you see me, I'm just making a spider right now. Okay. Assalamualaikum. I'm in online class and I'm gonna read about the Burj Khalifa. I love the Burj Khalifa. It is beautiful. Twice the tallest building. It has 143 floors, taller than me, taller than anyone. This is magnificent. Guys, I forgot my paper, so I hurry run and bring a paper. And now I showed my activity that I did before, and now I'm making the spider. Today, Thursday, I was so tired, and then my class was small. Okay, then I took a color from my drawer full of colors. Then I was showing both of my colors. I was seeing for a... So guys, I already told you about my Burj Khalifa, but now I'm gonna tell you what it is. It has 143 floors. It's so tall. And on Thursday I had a lot of work, but I had so much fun. I had a deer reading class where deer means that I got to leave, drop everything and go to read. And it was so much fun. It was magnificent. My class was good. I'm almost going to show you because I'm done almost. And look at me. I was going to lay down. And then I'm just coloring with the pencil to the face of the spider. I took another color I'm trying to find. Then I found it. It was a pink color, just for the mouth. And then I was almost done. I took some glue, glued it under. And I was having fun having my class. And then I was cutting the paper. I was doing some stuff, cutting the paper. I was making some lines because I needed to do what was going to be. I was going to do what is equal to 8. It was good. I was happy. It was 7 minutes more. Then I did it when the 7 minutes were done. My teacher said, good, you did it in time. And then we did not do magnets today. And maybe tomorrow will be it. Okay, I'm going to show you my activity. Okay, look, this is my spider and the ice cream cone. After some time and I was so happy. I'm showing you which one is 10. I took 1 and 10 and I made it to 110. It was so cool. Then I'm like, bye guys. See you tomorrow.